How to make money on YouTube without showing your face? You simply show people what they want to see. And a very simple way to do that is to simply show your computer screen. For example, over at AppSumo, they have products and access to products that simply are on your computer screen. And if you show these products and you talk about these products and you make videos about these products, people aren't interested in your face. They're interested in seeing the product. Of course, having a strategy, a proven strategy, my top strategy of traffic, offer, people, 3 foundational pillars built on 3 steps of picking a topic, in this case, showing people useful software of how to own and operate a business online, and then understanding that you need certain tools, technology, and the time to create this consistent content. And once you have that roadmap, you simply go back and you find a platform like AppSumo, and you start looking at the products. For example, a product like Keyword Gap. You take a look at the product, you scroll down, and you're thinking to yourself, okay, TLDR, too long, didn't read, unleash AI to pinpoint and exploit content gaps, outsmarting competitors with ease, transform insights into engaging SEO content in seconds, streamlining your digital strategy. They give you all the information you need to know at a glance, as well as an overview of the product. And then you scroll down and people are interested in seeing the plans and the features and your thoughts and your opinion on the deals, the terms, and the conditions. Then you take it a step further and you show them inside the product and show them what the product can do. They're not interested in seeing your face. They're interested in seeing what the product does. At that point, with a proven top strategy of realizing that you need traffic, picking a topic, grabbing the tools, and understanding the technology and the time that you need to create this consistent content, and understanding that consistent content is traffic. It is what brings people to your YouTube channel. It is what will generate you money and or revenue for creating these videos, as well as the simple fact that YouTube will pay you for creating these videos. Here you can see the playback-based CPM. This is how much advertisers pay every 1,000 times your watch page content is viewed with ads. Then, of course, the RPM here, this is the column, or this RPM column. This is the column that you get paid, or this is the money that you get paid every time you make a video. Or again, going back to the proven roadmap, every time you, or when you stay consistent and you create content, you get paid by Google to build your online business, following the proven strategy and starting with the fact that first and foremost, you need traffic. Then you can offer up a product like the product you saw on AppSumo, and then ultimately you can add people to your email list and build your email list. And YouTube is paying you for making the videos. And again, you never have to show your face. Now, 3 types of faceless videos that you can make. You can make the review video. That's simply finding a product. For example, this product over again at AppSumo called Stencil. Scroll down and again, you have the TLDR, too long, didn't read. You have all the information. The overview, AppSumo actually created an overview of the product that you can watch and get some great ideas for your own video. You then log into the product and you show people what it does. In this case, it's simply a product where you can add text and you can make images and you can even add your logo to the images. So it's very easy to do what I've just done and demonstrate the way the product works. Then you go back to the second type of video, the versus video. So for example, you found another product here on AppSumo, deposit photos. Deposit photos, you scroll down past the TLDR, and now you're looking at a glance. And sure enough, what do they say? The alternative to deposit photos is Shutterstock. Instantly, at that point, you have created your versus video. Deposit photos versus Shutterstock. Then the last type of video is the simple how-to video. Go back to AppSumo, again, Keyword Gap. It's a keyword research tool. Jump inside the product and simply show somebody, let's explore a new keyword inside of our new keyword tool called Keyword Gap. Select Explore New Keyword. It opens up the Keyword Explorer and you simply type in a keyword. After you type in the keyword, select Search, and Keyword Gap gives you all the information you need to know about your keyword. Again, a proven strategy to get traffic, to get people to see your offers and then add those people and build an email list, or add those people to an email list and build your email list based upon the fact that you are creating simple, consistent content, starting with these 3 types of faceless videos, the review video, the versus video, the simple how-to video, and the fact that YouTube is paying you for every video that you create and every video that you created without showing your face. If you'd like to learn more about the top strategy of traffic offer people and see the 9-step roadmap in action, go ahead and click the link in the description. I'll walk you through this process. Also, there's an offer in there where you can check out how I'm building a channel to review these AppSumo type products. And there's a special offer there. You can join me and work with me, and you can own this channel. This channel can be yours. Check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you got any questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.